Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2015 Mathematics Past Question 24. How many sides has a regular polygon whose interior angle is 135 degree each? A 10, B 12, C 9 and D 8. Now we have a regular polygon whose interior angle is 135 degree. So we can simply say that the exterior angle, that is one exterior angle, will be equal to 180 minus the one interior angle, and that will give us 45 degree. Now since one interior angle is 45 degree, then we can now determine the number of sides this regular polygon has. Now let the number of sides be n. That means n is equals to 360 all over 45. Now this is because the sum of the exterior angle of a regular polygon will give us 360. So the number of sides will be equals to the 360 all over one interior angle, exterior angle, and 360 divided by 45 will give us 8. So the number of sides of this regular polygon is 8 side, and that is option D. So this is an octagon. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.